Hi friends! So today I'm going to go over all of the questions from Topic 2 Math Museum. And remember, Topic 2 was all about even and odd numbers and arrays. So here's a quick review. Remember, all even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, and also any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even. These are our odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and any numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are odd. So let's look at our first question. Jose writes an equation. The sum is an even number greater than 14. Which equation does Jose write? So now I'm looking for an even number that's greater than or larger than 14. Well, let me look at my even numbers again. I have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm looking for numbers that end in these numbers, but also greater than 14. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Well, is 12 greater or less than 14? 12 is less than. So immediately, no thank you. I look at 6 plus 7 equals 13. Well, 13 is less than 14. And it's also an odd number. So that's also not correct. Let's look at 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 is greater than 14, and it ends in 6. So I know that's an even number. I'm going to put a dot as a maybe, because we always want to make sure that we check every option. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 is greater than 14, but it ends in a 5, and a 5 is an odd number. So D is not correct. My answer is C. All right, let's look at question number 2. Jen has 2 rows of apples with 4 apples in each row. Which equation shows how many apples Jen has in all? Let's remember that anytime we see rows or columns, we think repeated addition, which means the same addition over and over and over. So let's draw this. Jen has 2 rows, so 1, 2, with 4 apples in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I just made an array, the same amount in each row. So what is this equation? This equation is 4 plus 4 equals 8. So now we have to look for this equation in our answers. 4 plus 2? No. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. That is repeated addition, but it doesn't equal 8. So that is also no. Oh, this is our equation. Let's put a dot. 4 plus 4 is 8. And yes, 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12, but it does not show what we just drew. So our answer is, again, C. Let's go to question number 3. Choose yes or no to tell if the sum in the equation is an even number. Oh, let me get my little chart. 3 plus 4 is 7. Let me look for even. 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, 7 is odd, so that would be no. 5 plus 5 ends in 0. That's 10, and 0 is an even number, so that is yes. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 ends in a 3, and 3 is an odd number, so 13 is no. And then our last one, 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 ends in 6, so 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, 16 is an even number. All right, let's get to number 4. Will has 3 rows of trees in his yard. Each row has 4 trees. How many trees in all? Draw a picture to show the array of trees. Then write an equation for your picture. So remember, you have to do both. So let's see how many rows. We have 3 rows, so let's write the numbers 1, 2, 3. Each row has 4 trees, so let's do 4 circles in each row. Now, you could add all of these, so it's 4 plus 4 plus 4. You could add 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 8 plus 4 is 12, or if you get a little nervous and you're not sure, count up all your circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 trees in all. Okay, let's move on to number 5. How many squares are shown? Is the number even or odd? Draw a picture to show how you know. So let's count up all the squares. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So draw a picture to show how you know. I would draw circles and then make your buddies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then draw your buddies. Everybody gets a buddy. Uh-oh, we have one left over. So this is odd because 1 is left out. Even, everybody gets a buddy. All right, another yes and no question. Ben has 8 pennies. Look at each equation. Choose yes or no to tell if Ben can use the equation to make an array with his pennies. Now remember, an array represents repeated addition, which means each number is repeated over and over and over, and it is the same. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8 would be yes, because we would have 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that is an array. So that would be yes. 5 plus 3 doesn't show an array, so that would be no. 4 plus 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 would also be an array, so that is yes. And 6 plus 2 does not represent an array because it doesn't have the same numbers being added. So that is no. Our last one. Becky drew this bar diagram to show 2 equal groups can make 14. Draw a picture to show what the question marks are. So what plus what equals 14, and it has to be the same number. Well, thinking back to my doubles facts, I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just to be sure, I'm counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Now, part B, change 14 to 16 in the bar diagram. What does the question stand for now? Tell how you know. So I would do 16, a little square, and my bar diagram. So now I have to think, what doubles fact equals 16? 8 and 8. The question mark is 8 because I know 8 plus 8 equals 16. So really practice those doubles facts this weekend too. Okay, that's all of our questions, guys. Thanks so much, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.